Here we've got OnePlus Nord, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select system right here, and now go to developer options. If you cannot see developer options here, just take a look on our tutorial which will tell you how to activate developer options in your OnePlus, and then you'll be able to unlock them. Afterwards you can smoothly open developer options here. Now scroll down a bit, and here you'll notice system demo mode. Mark it, and now activate it by tapping on enable demo mode, and if you'd like to show it, just click here, and as you can see now it is active and also shown. So that would be all. Whenever you would like to deactivate it, just click here, and this is it. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.